Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Roborock S6 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: using adaptive routing with edge-optimized cleaning, multi-floor mapping, and no-go zones. Convenient selective room cleaning. Powerful clean and easy mopping. This vacuum weighs 15.5 pounds, making it easy to maneuver and to store away when it's not in use. Not only is it compact, but it's quiet as well. It operates at about 56 decibels, which is no louder than a quiet conversation. This brings discreet cleaning to a new level. Voice-enabled via Alexa, and with a convenient Roborock smartphone app, you're in control of every aspect of this vax cleaning and movements. You're even able to set up virtual boundaries. The difficult and traditional magnetic strips normally included with other robotic vacuums are not necessary with this intelligent unit. It may be the soul of discretion, but it's certainly powerful. It has a staggering 2000 pascals of suction power. It's able to automatically recognize when flooring style is changed from hardwood to carpet and intuitively adjusts its suction power when carpeting is detected. This unit includes a charging dock, long-lasting lithium polymer battery, the main brush, a variable side brush for tough corners, and a user-friendly mop attachment with adjustable water flow. No more pushing around a wet, heavy mop after you've completed vacuuming. Simply pop the moistened mop cloth into the full water reservoir, attach it right onto the unit, and let it run. It reaches low battery life while cleaning. It will automatically take itself back to the docking station to charge until 80% battery life is reached. At that point, it will route itself back to the exact spot that it left off.